As an architect, it's important for you to have a diagram before you start making your deployments. What a diagram does is it allows you to share your ideas easy and also even gives you better understanding for your environment before you start doing anything. This eliminates a lot of errors. So we created our own diagram to better explain the environment. On the left side, we have the on-prem environment. It's pretty much comprised of a virtual machine, and on that virtual machine, we have resources deployed on it. So the resources we have is MySQL Server, and we also have the gateway by StrongSwan. It's an open source VPN solution. We deploy both these packages on our Ubuntu virtual machine. On the right side, we have the cloud environment, comprised of one VPC, one subnet, and in that subnet, we have a VPN gateway. The VPN gateway connects to the VPN from StrongSwan from the on-prem. And what this basically does is it establishes connectivity between the on-prem environment and the cloud environment. In our subnet, we have a Kubernetes cluster. And in our Kubernetes environment, we have one node. In a typical production environment, you will have more than one node, but for simplicity, we're just going to use one, and our application does not require that much resources. This also saves us cost. Once connectivity has been established between the on-prem environment and the cloud environment, the database tier, which is deployed in the virtual machine on the on-prem side, will be able to connect to the application tier, which is deployed on the cloud environment on Kubernetes. Pretty much sums up what it means by a hybrid environment. Our hybrid setup comprises of an on-prem and a cloud. So for other hybrid setups, you could have a mixture of different cloud providers. Someone might use Azure and AWS, or they can mix it up with IBM Cloud. Now that we have a good understanding of all the tools we were using, let's get to work.